The role of fruits in supporting strong bones. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is crucial for overall well-being, especially as we age. While dairy products are often highlighted for bone health, fruits can also play a significant role due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's a look at some fruits that are beneficial for bone health. 1. Oranges. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the structure of bones. Vitamin C also enhances calcium absorption. 2. Bananas. Bananas provide potassium, which helps reduce calcium loss in the body. This mineral is crucial for maintaining bone density. 3. Kiwis. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C and K. Vitamin K plays a vital role in bone metabolism and helps improve bone density. 4. Pineapples. Pineapples contain manganese, a mineral that is essential for bone formation and the maintenance of bone health. 5. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which support collagen production and protect against oxidative stress, a factor that can weaken bones. 6. Grapes. Grapes provide vitamin K and polyphenols, which have been shown to improve bone density and overall bone health. 7. Apples. Apples are a good source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect bones from damage and maintain their strength. 8. Papayas. Papayas are rich in vitamin C and also provide a good amount of vitamin A, both of which are important for bone health. 9. Prunes. Prunes are particularly beneficial for bone health due to their high content of vitamin K, potassium, and boron, all of which help improve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. 10. Avocados. Avocados offer healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation and promoting bone health. Incorporating these fruits into your diet. To reap the benefits of these fruits, consider incorporating them into your daily meals and snacks. Smoothies. Blend a variety of these fruits into a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Salads. Add fruits like oranges, berries, and kiwi to your salads for a refreshing twist. Snacks. Keep apples, grapes, and bananas on hand for a quick and healthy snack. Desserts. Use fruits like pineapples and papayas to make naturally sweet and healthy desserts. Conclusion. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet can provide essential nutrients that support bone health and potentially improve cognitive function. By including these fruits regularly, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits and contribute to stronger, healthier bones.